What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
People Care here from My Digi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets use multiple accounts, but we're using one because a beginner would only try with one account, just starting, and I want to show the type of results they get from just starting. You know what I mean? Some people might get more results than me, some people might make less than me, but this is the general idea I think you would make. But anyway, guys, you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, first off, I want to talk about the reasons why I like promoting the $25 business. Is because essentially the product is a really good product, and it's essentially a funnel builder for $25 with no limitations on it. And you get other stuff too, but that's the main product, and it's easy to use, no limitation, meaning you can make a 25-page funnel builder if you want to, and so on, right guys? And it's very easy to use, and so on and so forth like that. The most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month with a ton of limitations. All right guys, ton of limitations on it, even something as simple as how many people can see your funnel. And if you want to get rid of those limitations, you have to pay $300. That's insanity. All right guys, so that's the first reason why I like promoting it. Now the second reason, and I think the reason you guys are interested, and why I initially was interested in promoting the $25 business, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. Now this is insanity. All right, this is higher than any other system out right now. I can't find anything even close to this number. The highest on scene is 40 recurring commission. When it comes to recurring, highest on scene is 40. Now you might can get 80% initial, like they might pay you 80% initial initially, and then it'll drop down to maybe like 10 or 15% recurring. So this is the best way to make money right now. Promote this product, guys. Links in the description below. Promote this product if you're gonna promote anything. This is just the way to go right now. All right guys, yeah, so anyway, let's look at what we came here to look at. We're gonna look at my results here. Refresh the page. All right guys, as you can see here, oh look, no, this is okay. We did not get a sale yesterday, right guys? I got a little confused there because I did get my recurring income come through, but I did not get a sale. All right, so which is totally fine because, like I stated before, I got some recurring incomes coming through. The $100 recurring income. People been asking me about the $100 recurring income because they seeing it a lot more often now. Because I got a lot of people to sign in, and some of them bought it. And it's this is how it grows, guys. I'm already above what I made last month, but to be fair, this is like the last day of this month. But still, it's going up. We going up here. Made $600 last month. I think it said 6 something. I don't know how much. Let me check real quick. Yeah, we had, what was it? We had 660, so $60 more than we were last month already. Yeah, guys, this is working. You know what I mean? Working fine to me. Also, another thing, if they don't refresh the page, don't believe them results. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go here to the mailing system. We're gonna go here. We're gonna click on leads here. Now, today we're gonna show you guys how to make a email real quick. We're gonna make something real simple here. Alright, so we're gonna go to the page that we're promoting here. We're just gonna look across it real quick. Instant 20 to 100% monthly commissions. Paste that in. Let's paraphrase it. So I got that email. How similar. I don't have that. Okay. Alright, so we just copy that. Boom. So we're just gonna capitalize. And capitalize everything. Boom. Alright, so now what we do, we basically take this, read it. We can keep all this, you know, this is fine. Alright, so what we can do is here. Right here, I think this is good. This is pretty good here. So we're just gonna put this in here like this, paste. Looks pretty solid, 98 words. Let's paraphrase it. Boom, we done. That's the email. How simple that is. Oh. Oh, gonna do here. Got the bold, capitalize and underline. Bold, underline. Products, bold. Just change this. That's all you need to that's all you really need to do here. Hit your link right here, guys. Like I stated, you're gonna use this link. You want to use this one because it promotes the $20 and it promotes the $100, guys. Remember that. That's the reason why I'm using that link. So I'm gonna put a space right here. Alright, and that's pretty much it, guys. Really that simple. That's a new email. Hold on, I wanna this. Alright, so yeah, that's a smooth email real quick. You hit perfect timing. That's all working and good. Make sure your link works with preview here. See if mine works real quick. Yes, it does. That's all it takes. Make sure you hit perfect time. I just said that. Okay, and send email. And that's all it is, guys. That's simple, very easy to do. I showed you I made an email on the spot. Took me about 2 or 3 minutes to make a brand new email to send, guys. So it's very easy to set up emails to make and send. Alright? It's very easy to set up. And like I stated before, it's It's just a couple of minutes a day, guys. Now make sure to if you're interested in following along, the links. I said this. I know y'all tired of me saying it, but the links are in the description below. They right there. Everything you need. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.